Morning. Mercedes bench, not bench. It's typewriter, not car. I think it's made in Germany, but the key is like looks like European, especially like French. But I'm not sure because of this one. But except this, yeah, it looks like French language. French. It's very heavy, but this cover, this front, this cover, this front, it's very light, but the body is very heavy. So let's see first the appearance. Let's see the. I don't know. It's called. I mean, when I look at the typewriter database, this model name is Superba. But I couldn't find in the outside. Okay. Also, according to the serial number, it's very hard to look at the serial number. Okay, let's take off this one. Right? Yeah, inside like this. I think it's for the protect noise. Okay. See, 2333. 233347 and then /1. There is no this information, this serial number information, but approximately it was manufactured in 1940s, early 1941 maybe. Yeah. This ribbon spool mechanism little bit different compared to the regular one. This go into not like this and then go this side. See? Yeah. I like this one, this style, because very smoothly move for ribbon. Same thing. This part go there and then turn like this. Yeah. So and then this is color choice, ribbon color. This one like this, and then this is ribbon direction. Okay. Then this is margin release. And then this is right now mounted on the bottom line case. We can take out this one just to draw to me. Then we can take out from the bottom line case. Right? The seller said it looks like French military stuff. Yeah, I agree with that. Yeah, it's heavy. I searched this one eBay. Just one for the uploaded for the sale out of America. I don't know. It's like Hungary, something that country. It's very he asked the very expensive, very close to $1,000, 970 something. Yeah, I don't know. This has that kind of value or not. Okay, and then there is the paper supporter like this. Okay. Except that everything is like very similar. Then this one is the paper release, and then this one is a carries release. Okay, yeah, backspace here. Yeah, it's like shift key lock. Yeah, exact thing. Let's see some typing example. Okay.